Hey guys, another video for tonight. Just wanted to do a brief video of some videos I've recorded, and then I'll try posting them. It'll talk about storage and whatnot, and it won't download. So this is the brief video on one that I wanted to do of this hilt here. This is my very first prototype Mace Windu hilt. Yeah, Mace Windu is probably one of my favorite Jedi of the prequel era. You know, he's just a very cool kind of juggernaut dude. You know, just rushes in there with that really awesome purple lightsaber. You know, it's just a very tough, really cool guy. So, I had been talking to a friend of mine. He wondered, could I build a Mace Windu PVC lightsaber? And I had said, you know, I will definitely give it a shot. I mean, this is for a commission that he might want to do later on about building one of these. And so I went ahead and I got the multiple source pictures and started working on it. And obviously I need to touch up some paint on this hilt. But as you know, the video as for the main hilt unveiling, this is the PVC Mace Windu hilt. So I read the diagram wrong, or the hilt picture. There should be 3 buttons. I put 2 by accident. So just to, if anyone's wondering, this is one solid piece of PVC. Usually the grips would extend like that, but I kind of used a bit of 3D trickery by going down here and making those slanted. So it makes it look like you're going from the rings to a slanted grip section. And so you do get this black grip section, and it looks like it's above the hilt a little bit. It's using that 3D trickery. So that's something I did that was interesting. You'll notice if you compare this to the official Mace Windu lightsaber, parts don't exactly line up, and that was because the Mace Windu hilt, in reality, is only maybe like that long, as opposed to that. I mean, this is a full-size hilt, so I don't know the exact measurement of this. It's probably about a foot without this pommel, so probably pretty good size hilt. So now, just going back, I was able to get the emitter with its emitter holes, which are pretty cool. The 3 buttons up here, if you count this one, right there it is, right there. I may at some point install this and figure out how to use that as a tactile switch, so that you can just kind of, you know, color change your blaster block depending on which button you use. So, black up here needs to be touched up. The chrome finish came out really weird. It does this thing where sometimes it comes out really nicely, like in the Ben Solo video, and then sometimes it comes out warped. So you'll get this gradual, like that, and then you'll run into this perfect aluminum-looking chrome, and then you'll run into that. So that's unfortunate. So it's kind of, for now, I'm just doing that to keep the pommel in. Black grip section, like a vinyl. This was just flat black acrylic paint, and then the whole body was chrome. This grip section here is spray painted black. So I took 2 pieces of cardboard tubes, put them here and here, and spray painted that entire section black. And it actually came out pretty okay. This is a CoverTech wheel from the Custom Saber Shop. Unfortunately, it is not compatible with my Saber Forge CoverTech belt clip. Unfortunately, I need to pick one up for the Custom Saber Shop. So it will fit in there, but it's tight. It doesn't swing, so it's like solid, unfortunately. So for now, it's just for decoration. But you can just kind of see the multi-gold scheme. Yep. So yeah. So that's the kind of brief overview of the Mace Windu, the V1 PVC Mace Windu lightsaber. I have never actually seen a PVC Mace Windu lightsaber before, so I'm just gonna go out on the limb that this is one of the first that's been documented. I'd be really cool to see if you guys wanted to make one of these, because you know it's a really cool design, and it's hard, but depending on how you do it, you can get the exact parts pretty close to the original. So it'd be pretty cool to see if you guys had any videos on making these, because it's definitely a design worth taking the time to make, I would say. So, yeah, as you can see, it's empty. Nothing in there, and then just using my Imperial saber stand from Saber Forge. So yeah, I just wanted to share this video with you guys because last time I did it, it did not want to upload. It was weird. So YouTube is kind of unstable sometimes. So if you guys post these videos, you probably know that it takes forever and it's just kind of a pain in the butt. So I just wanted to make sure that I got this video out to you guys. I know I mentioned earlier this was a project I was working on, and so I just wanted to show you guys the almost finished product. So, like I said, this is one of my favorite Clone Wars era Jedi. Just really, really awesome, and wanted to do his lightsaber. Also, really love how if you look at some different lightsabers, like they called them arena hilts, I think, that were like Kit Fisto, Adi Galliai, Barriss Offee, Omagundai Plo Koon. They all had, there's like 4 different styles, and then like half the Jedi Order seemed to carry those. Whereas Mace Windu's was really unique, having the contrast between the black, the chrome, and the gold. So that was a cool contrast I really liked when doing this design, was to make sure to get the correct kind of yellowy gold that Samuel L. Jackson had on his prop. So just wanted to share this with you guys. This should be my last video of the night. I'll probably post one tomorrow at some point. Maybe if I can find something you guys would want to see. So I just wanted to share this, guys, with you. Hope you really appreciated it, and as always, have a good night.